The role of max is indispensable in all walks of life. However, the human body is also not an exception. Today, we are going to see the importance of max in the study of human body. Hope this topic would be very interesting to all of you. Every aspect in the human body involves lot of calculations and numerical ranges. For example, let us see what is the amount of water present in the human body. Human body contains 62% of water. Is this not amazing? Similarly, 16% of protein, the body contains 65% of oxygen, 18% of carbon, 9.5% of hydrogen, 3.2% of nitrogen, 1.5% of calcium, 1.2% of phosphorus, 0.4% of potassium, 0.2% of sulfur, 0.2% of sodium, 0.2% of chlorine, 0.1% of magnesium, 1% of carbohydrate, 6% of minerals, and 16% of fat. The average adult weighing 150 to 180 pounds should have about 1.2 to 1.5 gallons of blood in their body. Red blood cell (RBC) count 3.93 to 5.69 million cells per cubic millimeter. Hemoglobin 12.6 to 17.5 grams per deciliter for males, 12.0 to 16 g per dl for females. Hematocrit HCT 38% to 47.7%. White blood cell count is 3,300 to 8,700 cells per cubic millimeter. Platelets count 47,000 to 3,47,000 per cubic millimeter. Do you know? 1 crore 50 lakhs blood cells are destroyed in the human body in 1 second. Bones. Most agree that an adult full-grown human has 206 distinct bones and babies, small children have 270 bones. Bones in the human body are head 29, in trunk 51, hands 38, feet 38, shoulders and arms 10, hips and legs 10, wrists 16, ankles 14. Totally, 206 bones are present in the adult human body. Distribution of human body joints. Parts of the body and number of joints. Skull 86 joints are there. Throat and neck 6. Thorax 66. Spine and pelvis 76. Hands, arms and fingers 64. Legs, feet and toes have 62 joints. To date, the skin is considered to be the largest organ. It covers your whole body and makes up about 16% of your overall body mass. Your skin is approximately 2 millimeters thick. Brain. The human body weighs about 3 pounds or 1.36 kilograms. The human spinal cord with an average length of 19 inches consists of around 1 crore 35 lakhs neurons. The funny bone is the nerve. 30,000 miles of nerves are in your body. Over 3/4 of your brain and spinal cord are made up of water. Heart pumps oxygen and nutrition-rich food throughout your body to sustain life. This fist-sized powerhouse beats, expands and contracts 1 lakh times per day, pumping 5 or 6 quarters of blood each minute, or about 2,000 gallons per day. Now let us see the sense of smell. Human may be able to smell over 1 trillion scents according to researchers. They do this with the olfactory cleft which is found on the roof of the nasal cavity next to the smelling part of the brain, the olfactory bulb and fossa. There are up to 10,000 taste buds with 100 sensory cells in each of them. What about normal blood oxygen level in our body? A normal blood oxygen level varies between 75 and 100 millimeters of mercury. A blood oxygen level below 60 millimeters of mercury is considered low and may require oxygen supplementation. Salts in our body. The human body contains many salts, of which sodium chloride is a major one, making up around 0.4% of the body's weight at a concentration pretty well equivalent to that in seawater. So, a 50 kg person would contain around 200 gram of sodium chloride, around 40 teaspoons. Since we lose salt whenever we sweat, it has to be continually replaced. The top number refers to the amount of pressure in your arteries during the contraction of your heart muscle. This is called systolic pressure. The bottom number refers to your blood pressure when your heart muscle is between beats. This is called diastolic pressure. Elevated blood pressure numbers higher than 120 per 80 millimeters of mercury are a red flag that you need to take on heart healthy habits. Hypertension stage 1. High blood pressure. You will generally be diagnosed with high blood pressure if your systolic and diastolic blood pressures reaches between 130 and 139 and 80 and 89 millimeters of mercury. Hypertension stage 2. Stage 2 high blood pressure indicates an even more serious condition. Here the blood pressure readings shows 140 or more in systolic, 90 or more in diastolic. A blood pressure reading above 180 per 120 millimeters of mercury indicates a serious health problem. Normal and diabetic blood sugar ranges for the majority of healthy individuals. Normal blood sugar levels are 72 to 99 mg per dl when fasting, 140 mg per dl 2 hours after eating. Pre-diabetic blood sugar level is 101 to 125 mg per dl when fasting, 160 mg per dl 3 hours after eating. Diabetic blood sugar level is 126 plus mg per dl when fasting, 200 plus mg per dl 3 hours after eating. Math and science are the lifeblood of the future. Written by Bob Becker. Mathematics calculations are used in anatomy and physiology to provide additional insight into the information provided by the measurement of psychological quantities.